In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block off time in Acuity scheduling. Blocking off time is an incredibly useful feature, especially for those who need to manage disruptions like business trips, vacations, emergencies, or sick leave. By learning how to effectively block out sections of your calendar, you can prevent clients from booking during those unavailability periods, thus maintaining a seamless workflow. Let's dive right in. We'll start by going to the calendar in your Acuity scheduling account. Once you're there, it's important to select the specific calendar you want to use to block out your time. This is crucial if you manage multiple calendars for different types of appointments or services. Imagine you're handling various services, each requiring its own schedule. You wouldn't want to mix those up and risk double bookings or missed appointments. Now, suppose you need to block multiple days. This could be for events such as a vacation spanning from Monday to Wednesday. What you'll do is select those specific days on your calendar. Once highlighted, click on the Block Off Time option. With just those simple steps, the changes will automatically be reflected in your scheduling system, effectively ensuring no appointments can be booked during that period. This can bring great peace of mind, knowing that once you've set this up, there's no need for constant monitoring or last-minute changes. If you need more precision or have fewer hours to block, say for a day where only specific hours are affected, you can do that too. Click on Block Off Time once more, and then you'll select the start and end times for the block. For instance, you may only be unavailable from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. You can set those as your start and end times, and if required, Acuity also allows you to make this a recurring event on specific days of the week. This recurrence option is particularly handy for ongoing commitments or repeating schedules until a certain date. Perhaps you have a weekly meeting or a recurring personal commitment. Whatever the reason, this feature allows you to manage it effortlessly. After setting your preferred times, click Block Off Time again to finalize your changes. You'll notice your calendar now visually indicates the hours you've blocked off, reflecting every scheduled week as per your preference. And just like that, you've successfully blocked time on your Acuity scheduling calendar. And there you have it, a straightforward method to block off time in Acuity scheduling. This feature ensures you're in full control of your availability. So even when you're not at your regular post, you don't have to worry about unexpected bookings. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore other functionalities within Acuity scheduling for even more efficient calendar management.